How to download Instagram voice messages. Now, the feature of downloading voice messages is not available on Instagram itself. However, you can still download it using the desktop version. For this, you want to open up any web browser on your laptop or PC, then head over to Instagram.com. Now, you want to open up a new tab. Here, type chromewebstore.google.com. Now, you want to search for Instagram Audio Downloader. You will find different extensions. I'm going to select the one that is download audio message messenger slash Instagram. Click on the option of add to Chrome. Now click on add extension option. Once this extension has been added, head over to Instagram. Go ahead and open messages. Now you want to reload the page. The extension will detect audio. You simply want to click on this icon of download. And as you can see, the audio message has been downloaded. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.